Good morning, everyone. I am Buck. This is Sawdust Solutions. Welcome to my shop. This is Friday shop talk, kind of a update, catch up. What I want to do is show you where I'm at, and then I'm going to tell you what happened and what's going to happen from this point on, as of right now. What we've got, I did the Prairie Box. I finished it up. The thing about it is, I still got some editing to do. I'm going to try my best to have it out by Monday. But this is Friday. This past Monday, I got that, and all I like in the evenings, I work on the editing here and there. You know, some requires a lot more than others, and you know. So Monday I come down and I started on my dry sink. So I'm getting it. I got part of that filmed up to this point, but Monday about 3:30 p.m. somewhere between 3 and 3:30. It's a little bit fuzzy. My wife fell and broke her leg. So we have been tied up there. So it looks like I really think I can get the Prairie Box out, but I don't know when I'm going to get the rest. Like I said, this is as far as I've gotten, and just about a half a day is all I did. I don't know. I really don't know. It was a bad break. She broke her femur between her knee and her hip. And they had put a titanium rod in, and the bones didn't come back together like they should have. So here she is now at the rehab center. She's going to put 25% of her weight on it. So that bone's got to heal back before she, completely recovers. I mean, they're going to do what rehab they can. So I'm going to be taking care of her. When it happened, while I was sitting in the waiting room, I knew it was bad. I could see it. I thought about just quitting YouTube. It takes enough time, but this week I picked up more subscribers, the comments, and it's just, if y'all can bear with me, I don't know when I can fully get back to it. I got to get her up in shape first. I'll work on it when I can, but I know this won't be ready for the following week for sure. Probably be 2 or 3. I don't know. I don't know. But I've done some work on this. I found more damage in places that I originally thought. I already took care of some of them that first day. Had a bad, I think it's this one here. This was cracked real bad because them down here where the wheels are, I got a crack over there, but I got it repaired, and things was going according to plan, really. So I hope y'all can bear with me. When we hit 100 subscribers, I never would have thought in 100 years I'd ever have that. Because when it hit 100, I knew I didn't have that many family members, if you know what I mean. But now I'm at 466, I think, 465, somewhere along in there. And with the comments and all I'm getting, I'm going to try to keep doing it. This is going to set me back. But if if y'all can bear with me, I'm going to try to find a time to get that edited where I can get out Monday morning. But after that, I don't know. I may be back next Friday to give you an update. Kind of depends on the response. But I hate it happen. I hate it for her. But it's something we're going to have to deal with because it's just me and her. So I'm going to sign off. And hopefully I'll see y'all sooner rather than later. But I don't know. I will. I'll be back. I just don't know when. And I appreciate each and every one of you.